birth of worlds. In the dark young universe, vast clouds of gas drifted silently until gravity pulled them together, igniting the very first stars and weaving them into magnificent galaxies. Around one young star, a swirling disk of dust collapsed, and from that cosmic cloud, a rocky world slowly emerged. How did it truly form? The birth of galaxies and planets. How the universe took shape. Last time, the universe was born in a flash of energy. Now, the real story begins. After the Big Bang, the universe was a vast, dark ocean of hydrogen and helium gas. It looked almost empty. But something invisible was already at work: gravity. Slowly, gravity pulled gas particles together, forming enormous drifting clouds. As these clouds collapsed under their own weight, they heated up dramatically at their cores. The pressure became so extreme that hydrogen atoms fused together, and the first stars ignited. These early stars were enormous, burning hundreds of times hotter than our sun. Inside their cores, they forged heavier elements: carbon, oxygen, iron, for the very first time. When these massive stars died, they exploded as supernovae, scattering those elements across space. Each generation of stars enriched the universe further, seeding space with the ingredients for planets. Over billions of years, gravity gathered billions of stars together into enormous structures: galaxies. A single spiral galaxy like our Milky Way contains hundreds of billions of stars. The universe filled with billions of galaxies, an almost incomprehensible cosmic web. Now let's travel forward, about 9 billion years after the Big Bang, to our own neighborhood. A giant cloud of gas and dust, a solar nebula, drifted through the Milky Way. Gravity caused it to collapse and spin, flattening into a rotating disk with a bright center. That bright center became our sun, while the surrounding disk held the raw material for planets. Tiny dust grains in the disk collided and stuck together, growing into larger and larger clumps. These grew into planetesimals, small rocky bodies that kept colliding and merging over millions of years. Close to the sun, only rock and metal could survive the intense heat, forming the rocky inner planets. Farther out, where it was colder, ice and gas could accumulate, building the giant outer planets. One of those inner worlds was our Earth. At first, a violent, molten, crater-covered sphere. A Mars-sized object crashed into the young Earth, and the debris from that collision formed our moon. Slowly, Earth cooled. Volcanoes released gases that formed the first atmosphere. Water arrived from comets and asteroids, pooling into the first oceans on a cooling world. From cosmic dust to planets, the universe had built a world where something extraordinary could happen. But how did life begin?